And when people continue to have excuses, whatever it is, it's my culture, my grandma did that for me, I need my protein, I have blood type ABC, whatever, that's all bullshit, for lack of any better words. And I'm sorry, it's a spiritual book, but in a spiritual book, sometimes you have to call it what it is. And there's a new sentence in calling it what it is. I was at the mall in Chiang Mai, Maya Mall one day, and there was a young guy from New Zealand. We happened to share a table together. And we're talking about, plant-based types of things. And after a few minutes, he goes, yeah, but I like steak. And I about went ballistic, but, I'm calm. I was like, And I didn't say it to him, but I say it in the book. You know what steak is? It's dead cow marinated in piss. Research the facts on that, and you'll realize that when a cow naturally has urea, the main component of urine, in its muscles. We all do. And that's what the kidneys do, is they pull out that urea and we urinate it out. That's what gives the so-called steak, what I call a dead cow, a meaty flavor. It's the urea that when you sizzle on the grill. I sort of made up that grizzle, the word. You sizzle that on the grill, what you're smelling is burning urine.
That's gross.
That is bloody gross. So when this Colum was the dude's name, nice guy, 25 years old, traveling around the world, and we shared a table, and he saw me ordering some vegan food, so he goes, yeah, I'll have what this guy's having, because he didn't speak Thai. And then we got into this conversation. I was like, well, if we're going to call it what it is, if we want to talk about the truth, then we have to say what it is. It's dead cow marinated in piss. And if you could go into the Argentine steakhouse in this city or that city and say, yes, I would like the dead cow marinated in piss with a salad. Or if the menu, can you imagine if menus told the truth?
Wow, that would be powerful.
Oh,
yeah.
Man, we should make a menu like that. That would be powerful.